Hello, I'm Madani Ariyam. My new course, Business Advice and Accounting Systems. This is Section 2 and Lecture 3, Accounting Methods, Cash and Accrual. When starting a business, you have to determine the way you are going to use for accounting and paying your bills and taxes. The two choices are cash method and accrual method. Cash method is simple and easier method, when payment method is probably the next accounting choice. Income and deductions can claim when payment received or made, and you don't have to do invoicing systems and all that. Cash method is easier to maintain. Accrual method, that's good for cash method is good for small business as well. Accrual method of accounting is a bit more complicated. Under this method, the focus is on the date, the expense incurred, not paid. For example, if you are closing your books by 31st December, and if you made a purchase or sale before 31st December, but you have not been paid or received the cash, but still it has to be accounted for within that financial year. You cannot wait till you get paid. That's so. This is called the payables and receivables have to be taken into account. So a lot of invoicing and is involved, and payment of invoice is also involved. How to set up a simplified accounting system for your home business. Say you are running a small business from your home. How will you set up the accounting system? Are you worried that clearing the accounting and bookkeeping work which has piled up on your desk? You are approaching the tax season, so you must be very worried. Just offer accounting outsourcing to deal with the issue with ease and perfection. It's the simplest way for accounting firms to address heavy workload to meet customer demand during the peak tax season. Simply undertaking the accounting outsourcing will not serve you a purpose until you have the proper knowledge about all that aspect of outsourcing. You have to have knowledge in finding a good accounting company or bookkeeping company, and you have to know what you are expected from them. You should be able to understand once they have done the work. Select a good bookkeeping company. Imagine you are going to give out your entire business process to handle by another organization. I'm sure you will want to know all you can about this particular aspect. You will surely not want to catch unaware. You don't want to show them that you don't know anything about it, because you have to show you know also everything, but you don't have that time. If the process goes wrong with the entire process, more easier research is the answer for you to meet such eventualities and to find a good bookkeeping company. How do you find errors in your business? To detect the errors in your business, you need to have control accounts. This can help you find the errors at earlier stages, and that is well before you construct your trial balance. The total of all receivable of the company should adjust the totals in control accounts. The totals of if you have a control account, then you will have a receivable account as well. When you invoice your clients, you will have the receivable account. So that receivable account, the balance in the receivable account and the control account should be equal. This may be due to the writing figure has been entered in all your records. How do you prevent fraud in your business? If you are having an in-house staffing, two different tasks they have. The double entry bookkeeping and control accounts should be done by different people, different employees. Maybe you cannot afford to employ full-time staff. So one staff few hours, but person can do the bookkeeping and another staff, few hours, can do the control accounts. That's how it works. So it will have the control over your bookkeeping work. When accounting is done by different people, different various employees, and also when you outsource your accounting work to a auditing company, it will become their responsibility to maintain a proper accounting system. As a small business, you will be in safe hands if you outsource your accounting task. Develop a system for organizing your work. I'm sure that every one of us want to be successful in our business. If that is what you want, a proper accounting system have to be implemented to see your success. That includes the following. Set up a tidy filing system. Keep your freelance writing or blogging invoices separate from your business expenses and tax write-offs. File your papers every week or month. Do not let them pile up. Keep everything related to your writing or blogging career, but keep everything organized in labeled files or binders. Also, enter your bookkeeping information in batches to save time. File your tax compliance reports on time. That's very important. At this method, my simple accounting tips for small business get more complicated if you wait or blogging. If your writing or blogging income is high enough, you will have to set a particular reporting period and pay different types of taxes. When the income increases, the tax also will increase, the percentage will increase. So you have to look into all that. I hope you like the tips in this video. If you like it, learn properly and it will help you in your business. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye for now.